morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are fine at home. So, today I will teach you English of class 2nd. So, let's start from chapter 1. The name of this chapter is Come Play with Us. Warm up questions. Answer these questions orally. Number 1. Who is your best friend? Number 2. Where does he or she live? Now let's start the chapter. Rohan, 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 Vani, Vani, John, 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 and Fatima, Fatima, are playing with a ball in the park. So, who are playing in the park? Rohan, Vani, John, and Fatima. But there is one girl sitting alone under a tree. But one girl also sitting there under a tree. She looks sad. She looks sad means she's looking unhappy. Who is that girl? Who is that girl? Why is she not playing? Why she is not playing? Does she have no friends? Does she have no friends? So, dear students, you can see here that four friends are playing here with a ball in the park. But you can see that there is one girl also sitting here and she is looking sad. That girl is looking sad. The girl is Garima. Who is Garima? That girl who is sitting alone under a tree. She and her parents have just shifted to this colony. So, you know that she and her parents have just shifted to this colony. Shifted means move from one place to other place. She has no friends. She is all alone. So, because she is new here, so she has no friends and she is alone. Suddenly, the ball rolls towards Garima. Vani runs after the ball. Suddenly, what happened? A ball was rolling towards Garima and Vani was running to catch the ball. May I have the ball, please? Asked Vani. So, what Vani is asking here? May I have the ball, please? Garima quietly gives the ball to her. And Garima is giving the ball quietly because she is sad. So she is giving quietly. Why are you sitting alone? Asked Vani. And Vani again asks to Garima, why are you sitting alone? Come and play with us. What she is asking? Come and play with us. All the children ask Garima to join them. Who are asking to Garima to join them? All the children who are playing here, they all are asking to Garima to join them. Now Garima is smiling. At last she has met friends. She is no longer lonely. Means Garima is smiling because now she is happy because she has met friends. So she is smiling and she is not alone. So she is happy. So, dear students, you know that friends are very important parts of our life. Everybody needs a friend because they help us in many ways, like for sharing, for playing, and we can do lots of fun with them. So, friends are very important for us. Thank you. Dear student, I will teach you about noun. I know you already teach about noun in previous classes, but so that's why I will not explain in detail because noun is the naming word you know. So I will write a definition of noun and I will explain some example. Okay. So first we will teach about definition. Noun. What is noun? A noun is the name of any person or thing. So you know what is person? Person. Person. In person, we can take anybody boy name, boy or girl name. Okay, it is person. Place. 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 In place, you can take any place name like city name, like Ratnam. Ratnam is a place. Like hospital. Hospital is also like a place. And school. That is called place. Animal. You have seen any animal around us you? So like cow, dog and goat. That are animal. And thing. What is thing? Any non-living thing like pen, marker, your pencil. It is called thing. So dear students, now I will take kinds of noun. There are two types of noun. Number one is proper noun. The name of particular person, place, animal or thing is called proper noun. And it always begins with capital letter. Dear friends, you always remind this that proper noun is always started with capital letter. Like person. Person in like Mohit, Rani, in any person name is called proper noun. Proper noun, okay? And it will come in first, their first letter will come in big, capital letter. Now place. Place is like Delhi, Ratnam, in any particular place like you can take any other city like Agra, Bombay, Allahabad, like this. Animal. Animal like lion, tiger, deer, etc. Things like pen, pencil, etc. Or you can take any other name of things. And dear students, you will remind always in person, place, animal, things, in which name will come here, it all will start with capital letter. So you always remind this that proper noun is always start with capital. Now number second is common noun. The name of any person, animal, place or thing of the same kind is called common noun. Like person like boy, girl, your brother, your sister, it is called common person. Place, park, town, city. Park is in one city, many parks can be there. Many town is there, cities also will come in common noun. Animal, lion, monkey, elephant, any animal you can take in common noun. Thing like pen, pencil, table and other thing is called common noun. Now one most important thing is common noun is begin with always small letter. Okay, and in beginning we have taught about proper noun. It is always start with capital letter. So it is important to here. Common noun will start with small letter and proper noun will started with capital letter. Okay. Dear students, let's start book exercise. Question number A. Tick the correct answers. Number 1. Who was sitting alone under a tree? Option A. Neha. Option B. Vani. Option C. Garima. So, dear students, who was sitting alone under a tree? Garima. So, here option C is your answer and you have to tick on this. Number 2. Garima has dash. Option A. No friends. Option B. Two friends. Option C. Many friends. So, Garima has no friends. So, here option A is your answer. Garima has no friends. Question number B. Fill in the blanks with the right word from the box. Dear students, some options are given here and you have to fill them in the correct places. Number 1. Garima and her parents have just shifted to this dash. So, where Garima and her parents had shifted to the colony. So, your answer is colony. 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 Number 2. Suddenly the dash rolls towards Garima. So, what was rolling towards Garima? Ball. 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 Suddenly, the ball rolls towards Garima. Number 3. All the dash ask Garima to join them. So, who were asking to Garima to join them? Children. 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 All the children ask Garima to join them. Number 4. At last she has made dash. At last what she has made? Friends. 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 At last she has made friends. Question number C. Answer these questions. Number 1. Who are playing in the park? Who are playing in the park? Rohan, Vani, John and Fatima. So your answer is Rohan, Vani, John and Fatima are playing in the park. Number 2. Why is Garima not playing? Why is Garima not playing? Because she has no friends. So your answer is Garima is not playing because she has no friends. Number 3. Why is Garima happy? Why is Garima happy? Because at last she has met friends. So she is happy. So your answer is Garima is happy because she has met friends. Dear students, here I am only speaking the answer. I am not writing the answer here because I have already given the answer sheet in PDF. So I am not writing the answer here. Question number D. Color the boxes that have proper nouns. So here some words are given in the boxes and you have to color that box which is proper noun. You know what is proper noun? It is the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. So let's start, students. Boy. B-O-Y, boy. So boy is a proper noun? No, it is not a proper noun because it is a general name. So it is not a proper noun. Park. P-A-R-K, park. Park is a name of a common place, so it is not a proper noun. Plate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. Plate is a proper noun? No, because it is also a name of a common thing, so it is not a proper noun. Holy. H-O-L-I, holy. So holy is a proper noun? Yes, because Holi is the name of a particular festival, so it is a proper noun. So you have to color on this. Next, pencil. Pencil is a proper noun? No, because it is also a name of a common thing. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Teacher is a proper noun? No, because it is also a general name, So it is not a proper noun. Neha. Neha, Neha. Neha. Neha is a proper noun? Yes, because it is the name of a particular person. So you also have to color on this. Next, Patna. 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 So Patna is a proper noun? Yes, it is also a name of a proper noun because it is it is a name of a particular city. So you have to color on this. Next, house. 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 House is the name of a proper noun? No, it is also a name of a common place. So it is not a proper noun. Brother. 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 Brother is a proper noun? No. Brother is also a general name. So it is not a proper noun. India. 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 India is the name of our country. So it is a particular name of a country. So it is also a proper noun. So you have to color on this also. Next, ball. 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 Ball is a proper noun? No. It is also a name of a common thing. So it is not a proper noun. Grass. 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 Grass is the name of a proper noun? No. It is also a name of a common thing. So it is not a proper noun. India. Dear students, here India is again repeated in this box. So, but in other books, other name is given there. Like Jaipur is given there. If Jaipur is given there, so that is also a name of a particular city. So you have to color on that also. Okay. Or if India is given in your book, so you can also color this. Next, bat. B-A-T, bat. Bat is a name of a common thing, so it is not a proper noun. Next, doll. D-O-L-L, doll. Doll is the name of a proper noun? No, it is also a name of a common thing, so it is not a proper noun. Christmas. 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 Christmas is also a name of a particular festival, so it is also a proper noun. So you have to color on this also. Next, market. 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 Market is a proper noun? No. It is a name of a common place. So it is a common noun. It is not a proper noun. Next, school. 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 School is also a general name. It is not a particular name. So it is not a proper noun. Rahul. 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 So Rahul is also a name of a particular person. So it is also a proper noun. So you have to color on this also. Question number E. Fill in the blanks with information about yourself. So here you have to write about yourself here. So you have to complete this by your own. Number 1. My name is. Here you have to write your name. Suppose your name is Rahul Gupta. So you have to write here, my name is Rahul Gupta. Number 2. My mother's name is. Here you have to write your mother's name. Number 3. My father's name is. Here also you have to write your father's name. Number 4, the name of my school is. So dear students, you know that your school name has changed. So you have to write here, the name of my school is Nahar Global School. Number 5, the name of my best friend is. Here you have to write your best friend name. Question number G. Circle the correct spellings. So dear students, here some spellings are given here and you have to circle on the correct spellings. First you read all spellings, then you have to circle on the correct spelling. So let's start. Number 1, Parents, Parentz, Parents, Parentc. So dear students, this is the spelling of parents. But which is the correct spelling? You have to circle on this. So correct spelling is Parents, parents. Next, colony. Coloni, Colony, Colony. So, which is the correct spelling of colony? So, this is the correct spelling of colony. Colony. Next, friend. 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 So, which is the correct spelling of friend? So, it is the correct spelling of friend. So, you have to circle on this spelling. Friend, friend. Next spelling is of please. Please, 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 Please. So, what is the correct spelling here? This is the correct spelling of please. Pleace. Next, alone. Alune. Alone. 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 So, what is the correct spelling here? So, this is the correct spelling of alone. Alone. Question number H. Match the words with their opposites. So here some words are given here and you have to match them with their opposites. Number 1, sad. SAD, sad. So what is the opposite of sad? Happy. So you have to match this word with option D, happy. HAPPY, happy. Number 2, friend. FRIEND, friend. So what is the opposite of friend? Enemy. So you have to match this word with option E. ENEMY, enemy. Number 3, sit. SIT, sit. So, what is the opposite of sit? Stand. STAND, stand. So, you have to match this word with option B. Stand. Number 4, girl. GIRL, girl. So, what is the opposite of girl? Boy. BOY, boy. So, you have to match this word with option C. Number 5, before. BEFORE, before. So, what is the opposite of before? After. 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 So you have to match this word with option A, or you can write a number also in front of them. Question number I. Look at the pictures of some toys. Complete their names. So, dear students, here some pictures of toys are given here, and you have to recognize them and complete their spellings here. Now, number 1. On number 1, which picture is given here? Doll. So, you will write here the spelling of doll. 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 Number 1, the picture of doll is given here. Number 2, which picture is given here? Ball. So you will write here ball. 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 Number 3, which picture is given here? Car. So you will write here the spelling of car. 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 Number 4. Which picture is given here? Teddy bear. So you will write here the spelling of teddy bear. TEDDY. Teddy. BEAR. Teddy bear. Number 4, teddy bear. Question number J. Your teacher will read the poem given on page 51. Listen carefully to it and fill in the missing words. So, before filling the missing words here, let's read the poem. Now, let's read the poem. Work while you work. WORK, work, while, 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 YOU, work, 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 work while you work, play while you play, 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 while, 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 you play, YOUU, PLAY, play. To be useful, TO2, BEB, useful, 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 and happy, AND, and happy, HAPPY, happy. To be useful and happy. That is the way. THAT, that is, is the, THE, the way, WAY, way. Now reads again. Work while you work, play while you play. To be useful and happy, that is the way. So now you have listened the poem here. Now let's fill the missing word here. Work while you work. So here which word will come? Work. Work while you work. So you will write here work. 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 Play while you play. 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 Work while you work. Play while you play. To be useful. Now you will write here useful. U S E F U L. And happy. So you will write here happy. H A double P Y. Happy. That is the way. Work while you work and while you play. Now question number M. Write 5 lines on my best friend. So here you have to write 5 lines on your best friend. So it is you have to do by your own. Question number N. Make a list of 4 of your friends. Mention one quality of each. So here you have to write your 4 friends' name and you have to write their quality also. Suppose your friend's name is Rahul. So you have to write here number 1 Rahul, and you have to write quality also. So in front of his name you have to write his quality, like he helps you, so he is helpful. So here you have to write helpful in front of his name, and here helpful is the quality of him. So like this you have to complete this answer here. So dear students, I have explained all questions here, and you have to do this in your book, and that is the homework for today. Thank you.